What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Wolf and today we're gonna cover an airdrop. This airdrop is something very important that everyone who's following the channel for a longer period, make sure to watch this video very closely and understand what is going on with this project. Because 2 months ago, we had a video about how to claim the WYND Airdrop. When is it live and when is the vesting period? That's correct, they have a vesting period. This means that they will drop the tokens over a period of time. If I'm not mistaken, it was around 1.5 years, 2 years. And they will drop it every 3 months, 1 month. But we will cover everything you need to know right now in this video. Also, very quick, everyone should subscribe to this channel because all the coming days will be airdrops. So make sure that you don't miss out on the juicy airdrops, on the juicy EPYs if we can stake the airdrops, or potentially on liquidity pools EPYs if we can provide liquidity for that token that we get airdropped. Let's get into it right away, people. So as you will see, if you go to Juno, Swap, Frontier, Osmosis, you will not find the WYND token yet. So it's not tradable for now. So I'm going to explain you why is this and what is coming for this project. So as you can see, the WYND DAO is an innovative multi-protocol DAO. This is a decentralized autonomous organization that harvests the best of DeFi to fund positive real-world environmental impact. It's based upon the WYND token, which was launched on Juno in late May 2022. We covered this on the channel. This was in a Community Fairdrop. This has a long vesting curve that slowly becomes liquid between 1 September this year and 1 September 2023. So it will take 1 year the vesting period. On top of this, they build an innovative governance model to provide intelligent guidance to this living system. Very interesting. So I think there will also be opportunities to vote and potentially get rewarded for that, as we see in a lot of projects, especially in the Cosmos ecosystem. So 25% of the fees generated with these protocols, they will go back to the Environmental DAO, investing in projects spearheading actions to improve the environment. So those 25% fees will go to a DAO, and those DAO will invest in projects to improve the environment. So to upgrade the ecosystem itself. Delegating WYND tokens will give you a voice in the future of this unique Cosmos project. And this is really unique, and I like how they do it. So there's no prize live yet, only the early supporters, the airdrop people. It's a bit like the NOM airdrop. Something is coming about that one also, so stay tuned to the channel. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel, put on your notifications, and don't miss out on some juicy airdrops. So this is based on the wonderful work of DAO, along with a custom staking reward module of our design. Staking is now possible to earn rewards and, most importantly, participate in governance votes to guide the protocol. So you have a voice, where do you want to see the protocol going? So this is just a quick intro to let you know how they are doing it and what is the roadmap for this project. Is it interesting to stake? Yes or no? How long you want to stake? And this is why we covered this, because if we click on to stake, you will see how much they have in their treasury of the DAO and how much is total staked right now. But now you can see I'm not a member yet because I'm not staking tokens. If I stake my tokens, then I join the DAO and I can vote. So now you will see if I click on to stake tokens, they will give you multiple options. So this means an unbonding period. So this will mean if you are choosing one of these and you will stop staking, you will have to wait 30 days until your tokens become liquid again, and you will not earn anything in the meanwhile. So let's say I stake today and then I want to stop the stake tomorrow, then I have to wait 30 days until I get my tokens back. And in those 30 days, I will earn no staking rewards. And you will see if you take 30 days, you only get 12% EPR. So we can see also here we have EPR. So this means that you're sure that you will receive the 12%. And if you are compounding daily, weekly, you can get more EPY. That's the difference between EPR and EPY. If this is not this clear, let me know in the comments, please. So I will make a very short video, like 2-3 minutes, on how to explain you very quickly what is the difference between EPR and EPY in staking your crypto. Let me know in the comments if this is not clear. So now we have to choose one of these. Like this one is really insane. As you can see, this is 730 days to get 20% EPR. So if I'm gonna unstake on 1 September 2023, then I will need to wait almost 2 years until I get my tokens. Is that interesting? Yes, no, I don't know. So I myself, what I think is very interesting for myself, because I'm not planning to sell the airdrop. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to choose an unbonding period of 365 days. Now I will explain you why is this the reason for me. Is because if I stake today and only a year from here I will have my total vesting from the airdrop. So it means I will get other tokens in the meanwhile, while these ones are staked. And after 1 year I will have 89% EPR. So if in the meanwhile I compound it, I will surely get to 100% EPY. That's easy. So this means if I stake today 400 tokens, after 1 year, when it becomes more liquid and the vesting period is over, I will just have those 400 tokens back. I will have them liquid as rewards, and I will have my staking tokens, the 400 also. So I will have doubled my initial airdrop, and in the meanwhile, the vesting period, I will also receive some tokens. So that's how I am looking at it personally, because there is no price. I'm not planning to sell. There are a lot of other airdrops projects that I'm busy with, so I'm just gonna take the risk on this one. What else I'm gonna do? Because if I just let the tokens in my wallet now, I'm not earning anything, and there's also nothing to sell. So I'm just gonna take this one. This is for me way too long, so I'm not planning to do that. And this is just because I don't have no clear view on where we are going with this project for sure. Nothing is for sure, nothing is guaranteed, but I have to see the development of the project more and more. I want to see if the vesting period is over and there comes a price live, how it then works and how many people stay and support it instead of just selling the airdrop and leave. So that's something very important for me if I want to take this one. Also, we only have 20% extra if we take 1 year extra. So for me, that's not interesting. So I'm just going to click on this one and I'm going to choose stake all but the 100 WYND proposal deposit. All right. So I'm just going to take 390. Let's just choose that. All right. 365 days, stake. Now we will get a pop-up. I'm going to confirm this into my ledger device. All right, we are done. So as you can see, we have successfully staked this amount of WYND tokens. Now I will take a look on how to do a vote on a proposal, if there is anything to vote on right now. So let's take a look. Executed complete. So this is the WYND DAO governance execution upgrade. So let's click onto this. All right. So as you can see, the voting period is over. Everything is passed. So I cannot vote on this one. But now that I have staked, I will vote on the next proposal if there is anything coming. If you have any questions about this airdrop or about another airdrop, just let me know in the comments. And I hope to see you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.